Hey guys, today I have something exciting to share with you. A pair of 15 pounds high quality earbuds and a 40 pounds hi-fi adapter that will transform your music experience on all your devices like never before. Curious how? Let me tell you in this video. I have here the HIDIZS MS1-Galaxy Earbuds and the SD2 Hi-Fi adapter. You can buy them separately or as a bundle for just 60 pounds. First, let's unbox the SD2 Hi-Fi dongle. The packaging is very nice and the dongle itself feels well made. It has 45-degree angle 3.5mm headphone jack on one end and a USB-C port on the other. It's lightweight and comes with a USB-C to Lightning adapter for older iPhones, plus a standard USB A to C adapter covering all your connection options. Now, let's unbox the earbuds. They are beautifully presented and not connected to the cable yet. They look like fine pieces of jewelry and feel much more expensive than their 15-pound price tag. Inside the box, you will also find different sizes of ear tips and a cable that feels very light and premium. HIDIZS says this is silver-plated oxygen-free copper wire. You also get some paperwork and cute anime mascot girl printed on the box. Now, let's connect the earbuds. The cable ends are marked left and right, so make sure to connect them correctly. Then, install the ear tips. I usually go for medium. The cable is soft and light, with an inline microphone option if you choose it during ordering. The earbuds fit snugly around your ears and feels very comfortable and secure. Time to test them out. Plug the earbuds into the dongle and then into the USB-C port of my MacBook Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. First impressions, the sound is clear and can get loud without distortion. The treble is clear and the bass is balanced. It's exactly how I wanted to enjoy the music. Overall, the bass, treble and vocals are perfectly balanced even at high volumes. The MS1-Galaxy Earbuds and the SD2 Hi-Fi DAC sound far superior and the price is very reasonable. At around 43 pounds, this bundle is a great value. I have also tried the MS1 and my Android phone with a 3.5mm jack and the Hi-Fi DAC in the USB-C port. The difference is noticeable, providing enhanced audio quality. These earbuds and the DAC adapter can produce the sound allowed, far superior to more expensive headphones. For gaming and video editing, the response rate is instant with no delay, providing a nice surround sound. It's not quite 3D spatial audio like AirPods Pro, but still amazing for movies and gaming. Technically, the earbuds have a 10mm dynamic driver with a 20Hz to 40kHz frequency response, 108 dB sensitivity, and 32 ohms impedance. The cable is 1.2 meter long, silver-plated copper wire, and the 3.5mm connector is gold-plated with an L-shaped plug. They come with different ear tip sizes for comfortable fit. The SD2 Hi-Fi DAC adapter supports 32-bit audio decoding and can play lossless high-res music. It has an independent audio decoding chip and a sample rate indicator showing red or blue based on the audio file. Both the earbuds and adapter come in various colors. I have the grey adapter and the black earbuds. In conclusion, even if you're not an audiophile, this bundle enhances the audio quality from all your devices and you will experience the music like never before. For 60 pounds, you get superior sound that's hard to beat. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions about this product, leave them below and I'll respond. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe Earbuds to support my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.